Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to change language on G-Vision HC-550 MG digital hunting camera. So as you guys see, already have it on my table. I have the remote as well. So you need to click menu at the top left, then click the shoot button, go into the language, click OK, and then you can switch between English, French, Deutsch or Espanol. You have a lot of other languages like Russian, Portuguese, Italian, Netherlands, Polish, Danish, Swedish and Finnish, Norwegian and Slovak. So pick whichever option you would like. I'll stick with English, click OK, press menu, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.